To enable and use handwriting pen detection feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen, tap handwriting and then tap the gray on next to pen detection to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. To see the result, open an app where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. Pull out the pen. You can see that the keyboard will automatically open the handwriting pad when your phone detects the pen is in use. Now you can do handwriting. Once done, push in the pen in its place. And you see that the keyboard will automatically switch back to the virtual keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.